In the blessed days of Hajj, millions of pilgrims move between the holy sites of Makkah, Mina, Arafat, Muzdalifah, Jamarat and Medina. Navigating these sacred grounds can be difficult, especially for those traveling to Saudi Arabia for the very first time. In such vast crowds, if a person loses their way, it can be hard to know where to go next. That is why the GPS navigation feature in the Haj Suvidha app becomes a true companion. It is designed to bring peace of mind to every pilgrim by guiding your way, so you can focus fully on your ibadah. With this feature, pilgrims can easily find their accommodation, nearby hospital, dispensary, mosque or bus stop, ensuring no pilgrim feel lost in foreign land. To use navigation in-app, one must enable location services in phone settings. Once logged in, you'll land on the home screen. At the top of the screen, you'll see several options. Tap on Information to proceed toward GPS navigation services. Here, select Miscellaneous Services. This section contains the essential tools that help pilgrims move with confidence in a foreign environment. Here, you'll find GPS navigation options for various important amenities. Whether you are looking for the nearest hospital, the nearest shopping center, or the nearest bus stop, just tap on the category you want to visit. Haj Suvidha app will instantly show you the most accurate route, along with the estimated time to reach your selected destination. This feature is essential for pilgrims who may get separated or feel unsure of their surroundings. With Haj Suvidha app's GPS navigation, key destinations are just a tap away, and you can even save your accommodation so you never lose your way. If any Haji feels lost at any unknown location, SOS feature in the app provides instant help. Pilgrims can alert authorities immediately, attach voice notes or videos, and receive quick guidance from Indian government officials in Saudi Arabia. Further, if you encounter any medical emergency, you can again press the SOS button to alert the authorities and they will come to support you. For every pilgrim, at every moment, Government of India stands with you.